Good morning. February 4th, Wednesday. I did my thumbnail last night when I only had 45 orders till about 10 o'clock, something along those lines. So it looks like I finished last night at 82.83. So that's a first sub 100 day for a week or so. And then 53.77. So I don't know I haven't looked at what's sold yet this morning. So yeah, just not much doing on eBay. Oh, okay, 14 orders, 136. Someone's happy for their discount. Chuck, thank you, Chuck. Let me see, AS19. Not much yesterday. Why is that backwards? I have a blank tab. Looks like I had it in backwards, and anyway, didn't do much yesterday. Sorted postcards, looking through some old boxes, seeing if there's anything in there. Because I always, when I would cherry pick boxes, I would do like a first pass, like, oh yeah, these are my money makers. And sometimes I'd leave myself like little Easter eggs if I'd ever make it back through, which was dumb. That's a dumb way to process. But that's what I used to do. Let me see if there's any more in this box. I've never been very good at processing. So, there's that card. Now when I process, I'm squinting again. Now when I process, I go through and take out what I want, and then sort for whatnot lots, topics, stuff like that, and then the rest goes in the box. But there are also boxes like the ones I got at York. I didn't even bother looking through those. I think people got some good deals. I may have gone through all that already. I need some more. Oh, next month, postcard show in DC, and then the following month, they have a Grace show, and then Allentown's coming up, so I'll have opportunity to buy. 33. And we'll start the process all over again. So what's this? Roxbury, New York, Dales Lake. Is it good enough for... No. I thought it might have been good enough for a top loader, but I guess not. So we got that plane. Going to the same person? Nope. Overseas? Nope. So how have your sales been? I mean, 80-some's not bad. I haven't been listing. Wife's getting ready for work. I'm waiting for her to yell down. So I might gonna pause this here and there. I don't sell too many New York cards. New York City, I don't sell a whole bunch. I don't list them much either, because there's probably 4 billion New York City postcards. Oh, not that one. That one. Large letter greetings. This is the one that the people, scammers trying to build up their feedback, they always bought that one. I think I had it for like $1.99 because they just don't sell that much. And so it was a cheap postcard for them to send to a bogus address to build up their feedback. They'd always buy it, leave me positive feedback, and then I would leave them feedback because that's how I have it set up. And then it would come back as undeliverable, non-deliverable. Yeah, they were just trying to build up their feedback. Nice hotel. Real photo. Must have been over $20, and I sent out a 30% off offer. There it is. Top loaded up there. Let me see what's next. Choo Choo Train. I sell a lot of that one. Couple bucks is a couple bucks. Couple more left here. G41. Just listed this one. Probably should have gone a little higher. It has, I mean, it's just a view of Mount Shasta, nothing real exciting, but it's, wife scared me. She hollered down. So, there's that. But yeah, it sold for $9. Probably should have added a couple extra bucks. That's okay. Next, two like arts and crafts style. It'll be interesting if my jump is noticeable when she hollered down. I like arts and crafts style cards. Simple. Some of them can do pretty well. I think I have a... Maybe that was my old channel? I don't know. I think I had a video for arts and crafts. Or maybe it's in the guide. I can't remember. So those two cards, not enough for a top loader. What, $15? Nope. That's a nice sale. Coincidence that I just talked about a card like this during my members video yesterday? Coincidence? I don't think so. There's another one. There it is. So that's a nice, what, 25? I'll take it. So has anybody made any good buys recently? So besides that going to the antique mall a couple weeks ago, that's almost a month ago. I haven't bought anything. I look at lots. I missed out on something the other day. That it was an auction out of New York, but I just missed it. But anyway, I don't have to drive to New York anyway. So, and there's some other auctions around coming up that I might dip my toe in. So I think that's it. Let me see. Anything else? Nothing else on the refresh. So that's it. Everybody have a great day. Under 9 minutes. Wow. Yeah, nothing else going on. Nothing doing much on eBay. Have a great day.